Hi again, this is Bill Sugar, and we are now ready to upload the pages that we just created, or also the index page that we edited. As you know, we created links in between each of the pages, so we're not only going to just see one page, we're going to see if those links are working. Okay? And so what we first do, and it's going to say this is the same thing, the same process when we uploaded that initial index page. It's the same thing. So we're going to go to Pirate Panel, and we're going to log in with your ID and passphrase. I'm going to manage web space. Here is my URL. Your URL is going to look a little bit different. It's going to be student / your user ID. We'll select that, and we're going to use the file manager. I'm going to do an extra step for me because I'm doing this for PD, not for myself. So I'm just going to double click on that. Notice that I have these pages already. That's basically the final thing that I created before. So yours won't look like that. It should just be index.html. Okay. So I'm going to click on that red arrow, and I'm going to find the files I want to upload. Browse. And I am in the right page. Okay, so make sure you're always in the same location where you're supposed to be, because you won't find your files, I promise you. And so now what I'm going to do is going to upload index. I'm going to upload the index page, and I already have it on there, but I made changes to it. So it's important. If you make any changes to your file on the computer, you have to now upload it to reload it up onto the server. Okay? Just because you make changes to your file on the computer doesn't mean it's going to take effect on your web page. It actually, you have to upload it again. So it's a two-step process, right? You make changes to a web page, then you have to do the second step by uploading it up to the server. So I'm going to click open. There it is. I'm going to browse to add more files. I have to add those two other files. There's philosophy and then projects. Okay? And then after I got all the files that I want to upload, I'm going to click on upload. They have been uploaded successfully. How about that? That's great. So now I am going to go to find it. I'm going to see if it works, right? Let's just hope it works, right? I'm sure it's going to work. It better work. So here I am. Here's my file. Yours is going to be different, right? But here I go. And notice that there's links there. So that's kind of a good indication. Notice I added PD the Pirate there. So this page has changed and it looks good. That looks good. And if I go to main page, it should bring me back to the original page. Good. Over there. All right. All right. It looks like it is working. Now, I'm not going to go any more farther, but the MS students will need to add these three other links. The MAD students and the non-instructional technology students will add their three links. But this is a good marker. But if it's working online, you got it. So now in the next screencast, not the next file, we need to add an image to PD. I mean, everybody knows who PD is, right? But we want to make sure that they knew who the actual PD is. We're going to add that picture that I already got right under here. So I'll see you in the next screencast, and we're going to do that.